guys, welcome back to another video. This is building assets, and so the previous video yesterday was horrible. Literally, it's just a bunch of consolidation in this area here. Now let's go to the 1 hour. Yeah, it was around here, and it never hit my price of 330, I believe it was. It hit 300, but I had a take profit at 330. But anyways, it went down, and then it went back up to here, and that's when I got out. And I kind of did a little bit higher, but anyways, and then just went back down. But yesterday, or today actually, early in the morning, I actually had overtime at work, unfortunately. But let's go to the 30-minute and take a look here. I mean, the markets are done, but yesterday I was trying to get out around here, right? And then today, it just, poof, went to the moon. Like, I literally would have made crazy profit there. On a penny, you could literally made over $10, which is nuts. So, anyways, right here, it kind of, I was working overtime, so I didn't get in at the time I wish I could have. I'm saying 6, but anyways, right here it broke above this area again. Right around here, it broke this area that the previous day before it was rejecting, and that's when I only got 28 cents. So then all day, whatever, it's just kind of consolidating, and then around 3-4 in the morning, it started pumping. So unfortunately, I had overtime. I came out to my car, I had an hour overtime, and it was way up here. So I was like, okay, that just did a crazy spike. So I actually placed a sell, and I will open up my MetaTrader 4 here so you can see my trades. So this, I placed a sell at 11:07. I don't know what time it was. It was probably 4:07, and then I got out 4:10 a.m. So 3 minutes, boom, 61 cents, because it started coming back down, and did a little correction. So I got in and out real quick. Oh no, it was around here actually. Yeah, I think it was. Sorry, it's hard to. It's not live. The markets are closed. But it was here around 4 in the morning. And then I got in for a sell. And I literally just was like, oh, okay, got overtime, got to go home. 61 cents, took it. And then, see, actually, no, I placed a buy. So the first one was a buy. Okay, no, sorry. Okay, yeah, so it was around here that I had placed a buy or a sell. Boom, 38 cents. I think I took it and ran. And then I placed another sell when I seen that it was still just dropping. And then I took 69 cents. So that's this big wick here. It was dropping, and I was placing sells as I was driving. I know, kind of stupid, but so I wasn't really paying attention. I was just trying to catch the correction before. I knew it was going to keep going up, but I knew it went up too high, too quick, so I had to come back down. So as you see there, $1.68. Now, after it did its correction, I seen it start to go back up, so I placed a buy on the way home, and a quick 61 cents, took it, closed it, and then that was it. I called it a night. But if I would have been at home watching, or if I didn't have overtime, could have made like, $2-3. But unfortunately, only $1.68, but way better than 28 cents the previous day. So as you can see, it's not like, once you figure it out, I know for most of you, this is going to be really confusing. Like, you're going to have to learn how to read candlesticks. And like, when you got a lot of volume with a big candle going up, chances are it's going to keep going up. It's not just going to go up like crazy like crypto, but it does gradually when it does go right up real quick, it comes down, corrects itself, and then it'll keep going up. Now, if you go to the daily, you can kind of see, like, look at that big spike. That's the biggest pretty much green spike in a while. So it's really good. I'm surprised it went up like crazy, considering, like, you know, the new strain and everything. I figured the value of everything would have dropped. But so $1.68 profit, literally while I was driving on the highway, just getting in and out. 2 minutes here, 2 minutes there. I was on the 5-minute candles, so can't really apologize. You can't really get an idea, but I think it was around here. I placed a sell, and then on the way down, I seen it broke this candle, so I got out when it was around here, and then it kept going down, and then once it broke here, I got in again, and then I took a 69 cents, and then once I seen that the green candle broke above this candle here, I placed a buy, got in for another 61 or 69 cents, then got out and drove home. So, and then it just kept going up and up, but 1% or 0.5%, like my account's like $97, or it was down to 85. So I'm saying 1.68% of the account, but really it's a little bit higher because my account's not at 100. But we'll just call it, when I do the titles of the video, I'm going to say a certain percentage, and it's based on intervals of 100. So even though I have a $150 account, I'm going to say it's $100 until I get to 200, and then I'll base the percentage on a $200 account. So 1.68% today, which was awesome. And over the week so far, let's go take a look. So for the past 8 days, this is actually my record here. 8 days in a row in profit is my record. And the 16th, I'm going from the 17th, because the 16th I was not in the right mindset, and I actually lost like $3-4 in one night, which is just dumb. Like, you're supposed to cut your losses short. Some days they're not going to be profit, right? So if you get $1 loss or whatever, and the charts aren't looking the way you want, just put the computer or tablet away if you don't have any self-control. Because me, I just look at the charts and I keep looking. I'm like, oh, I could make up what I lost. But so let's go here, look at the trades. So this is from the 17th, somewhere's here. Oh no, it goes up this way. So from the 17th, see, right away I did bad trade. Boom, $1.41 loss. Didn't cut my loss short enough, but made up for it right after with $1.74. And then it was only up like not enough cents, so I got back in, got another 58 cents, called it a day. And then the next day here, all profit, and then on the 23rd, took a big loss right from the start. Luckily, came back, made up for it with 4 good trades actually. So I had 1 loss on the 23rd, came back, made up for it with 4 good trades. And then the next day, we got 2 small losses, and then this was, I don't even know what I was thinking there. It was 3 cents. Anyways, and then we made up for 1 good win there. And next day, this was the 28 cents yesterday, and then today. So very easy to grow the account once you get the hang of it. Like, as long as you're in profit, even 60% of the time. I mean, if you do your risk to reward, like let's say you're willing to risk $1 loss to gain 2. I never do that though. I don't really calculate that. You're supposed to. I just kind of whatever. That's probably why I'm not profitable. But this right here, 8 days, $8.50. That's a percent average a day, and that's all I'm aiming for. And I know that if I can do this for 2 weeks, like I must know what I'm doing. I just got to have more self-control and cut my losses shorter, because that's a big loss. I should have cut that shorter, because literally I was in a buy took a $1.96 loss, then placed a sell and got 56 cents. So as soon as I seen it was going the wrong way, I should have got out, reversed it to a sell, and I would have been like way better profit. But anyways, that's it. $8.50 past 8 days. I think what I'm going to do now is I'm going to up my account to $200 so then I can go to 4 cents. And then all these would be double the amount of profit. So stay tuned and watch this grow. Like I don't have a big account on Forex, so I am still learning, but I figured I'd show you guys the process. And see you next time. Bye.